Have you ever wondered why the pyramids, some of the most ancient and mysterious structures on Earth, are so geometrically perfect? These stone giants, weathered by time yet standing tall, are a testament to an era long past, an era shrouded in enigma. This is the story of the pyramids, an intriguing tale of humanity's past that continues to captivate us. These grand structures, predominantly found in Egypt, have been a mystery to mankind for centuries. They are an architectural marvel, a testament to the ancient Egyptians' extraordinary skill and understanding of geometry and astronomy. Now, imagine a time 4,000 years ago. The desert sand under your feet, the scorching sun overhead, and in front of you, a monumental task, constructing a pyramid, a structure so vast and precise that it boggles the mind. How were they built? Who built them? And most importantly, why were they built? These questions have puzzled historians, archaeologists, and curious minds alike for centuries. Theories abound about their construction. Some suggest they were built by aliens, while others propose they were constructed using advanced technologies lost to time. Yet the most widely accepted theory is that these were built by a vast workforce of humans, leveraging simple tools and sheer manpower. But even this theory has its skeptics, as the precision and scale of these structures seem to defy the capabilities of ancient civilizations. And then there's the question of their purpose. Were these merely tombs for the pharaohs, or did they serve a more profound purpose? Some propose they were energy conduits, others suggest they were astronomical observatories, and some even believe they were part of a global network of power generators. The pyramids are indeed a riddle wrapped in a mystery, inside an enigma. Their allure lies in their perfection, their grandeur, and the unanswered questions they pose. As we delve deeper into their mysteries, we may just uncover truths about our past that could redefine our understanding of human history. Stay tuned to uncover the fascinating secrets of these ancient structures. Imagine constructing a colossal monument without the aid of modern machinery or technology. Sounds impossible, right? But let's delve into how the ancient Egyptians might have accomplished this seemingly insurmountable task. Theories about the construction of the pyramids are as numerous as the grains of sand surrounding these iconic structures. Each theory, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, paints a vivid picture of what life might have been like for the ancient Egyptians. One popular theory suggests that the Egyptians constructed vast ramps from mud and limestone to hold the massive stone blocks. Teams of workers would then pull the blocks on sledges. It's believed that water was used to wet the sand, reducing friction and making it easier for the workers to hold the blocks. Another theory posits that the Egyptians used a system of levers. This would involve teams of workers using wooden fulcrums and levers to move the stone blocks, a method that would require less overall manpower but a higher degree of coordination and skill. Yet another theory, the internal ramp theory, suggests that the Egyptians built the pyramids from the inside out. This would involve constructing a spiraling ramp within the pyramid itself, and workers would haul the stone blocks up this internal ramp as the pyramid rose. Each of these theories, while distinct, share a common thread. They all highlight the remarkable resourcefulness and resilience of the ancient Egyptians. These were people who, with primitive tools and sheer manpower, constructed monuments that have stood the test of time. The marvel of pyramid construction still leaves us awestruck even today. The pyramids, a testament to human ingenuity and determination, continue to stand tall, their secrets still buried deep within their ancient stones. But as we continue to explore and understand, we edge closer to unveiling the true marvels of these enduring symbols of antiquity. Beyond their massive size, the pyramids also stand as a testament to the extraordinary architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians. The architectural brilliance of the pyramids is truly unparalleled. They are not just colossal stone structures, but perfectly engineered monuments that have stood the test of time. The precision of their design and the sophistication of their construction methods are testimony to the advanced knowledge, of the ancient Egyptians. Let's delve into the architectural aspects of these pyramids. Firstly, the pyramids are geometrically perfect, designed as true pyramids with square bases and 4 triangular faces. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for instance, has an almost perfect alignment with the cardinal points of the compass. This precision suggests a deep understanding of astronomy and mathematics. The construction of the pyramids also showcases impressive engineering skills. Built from 2.5 million blocks of stone, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons, the pyramids were assembled with an accuracy that is hard to fathom. The blocks were fitted so closely that even a razor blade cannot be inserted between them. This level of precision is astounding, considering they didn't have the technology we possess today. The pyramids were not built as standalone structures either. They were part of a larger complex that included temples, causeways, and other smaller structures. This urban planning showcases the Egyptians' advanced understanding of spatial organization and landscape architecture. The structural design of the pyramids also lends to their stability. The pyramid shape itself, broad at the base and tapering to a point, gives the structure its inherent stability. The weight of the stone creates an inward and downward force, making them resistant to earthquakes. The longevity of the pyramids is also a testament to the Egyptians' understanding of materials. They chose limestone, a material that could withstand the harsh desert climate, ensuring the structure's longevity. The architectural genius of the pyramids is indeed a testament to the advanced knowledge of the ancient Egyptians. Their architectural prowess, their understanding of materials, and their precision in construction have allowed these magnificent structures to stand tall thousands of years after their creation. The Pyramids of Giza, the last of the 7 wonders of the ancient world still in existence. But what secrets do they hold? Let's delve deeper into the heart of these magnificent structures. Towering over the Giza Plateau, these pyramids were built over 4,500 years ago. The grandest of all, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, is an architectural marvel that still puzzles modern engineers. Made up of over 2 million blocks of stone, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons, its construction remains shrouded in mystery. The Pyramid of Khafra, though slightly smaller, appears larger due to its elevated position. Its summit still bears remnants of its original polished limestone casing, giving us a glimpse of how majestic these structures would have looked in their prime. Then we have the Pyramid of Menkaure, the smallest of the trio, yet it's no less fascinating. It is unique for its lower half being sheathed in granite, a deviation from the usual limestone construction. But it's not just their size and age that make these pyramids astonishing. They are aligned with incredible precision to the cardinal points of the compass. The Great Pyramid's sides, for instance, deviate from true north by less than 1/10 of a degree. This level of accuracy, achieved with primitive tools, is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Moreover, the pyramids hold a wealth of astronomical knowledge. The shafts inside the Great Pyramid, for instance, align with certain stars. This suggests that the ancient Egyptians had a deep understanding of celestial movements, further adding to the enigma. And let's not forget the Sphinx, the colossal lion with a human head silently guarding the pyramids. Its purpose and the identity of the pharaoh it represents are yet another part of the grand puzzle. The pyramids of Giza, these silent witnesses of time, are a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Their secrets, embedded deep within their colossal structures, are an enduring mystery. Despite our advances in technology and understanding, we have barely scratched the surface. The pyramids of Giza continue to fascinate us with their enduring secrets and enigmatic charm. Now, let's untangle the web of mystery surrounding these ancient structures. We've journeyed through the enigmatic aura of the pyramids, explored the baffling questions of their construction, marveled at the architectural genius they display, and taken a closer look at the details that make them so intriguing. Now, as we stand at the pinnacle of our exploration, it's time to summarize our findings and bring light to the most plausible theories about these awe-inspiring structures. Firstly, we discuss the construction mysteries. The most accepted theory suggests that the pyramids were built using a massive workforce of thousands of skilled and unskilled laborers who moved and carved the colossal stones with remarkable precision. They used ramps, sleds, and their sheer determination to accomplish this colossal task. Next, we delved into the architectural genius of the pyramids. The alignment with celestial bodies, the use of sacred geometry, and the precision of construction all point towards an advanced understanding of mathematics and astronomy, far beyond what was previously believed to be possible in that era. Then, we took a closer look at the pyramids, exploring the intricate interior chambers, the mysterious shafts, and the puzzling inscriptions that have perplexed scholars for centuries. These elements suggest a purpose beyond mere tombs for pharaohs. They hint at a deeper spiritual significance, possibly connected to the ancient Egyptians' beliefs about the afterlife and their reverence for the stars. Finally, the truth about the pyramids remains shrouded in mystery. Despite countless theories and extensive research, there is still so much we don't know. Yet, the most plausible theories suggest a combination of extraordinary human effort, advanced knowledge, and profound spiritual beliefs. While the pyramids may still hold many secrets, our journey today brings us one step closer to understanding these magnificent testaments to human ingenuity and determination.